Hello and welcome to Tanta Lego and Brick Build. And today I'll be showing you how you can make your own picture out of Lego. Okay. So the picture I made was a fire flower from the Mario series, and it doesn't have to be this, but you can make any picture if you follow the following steps. So a very crucial step is choosing your size. So yours can be a 16 by 16, just like mine. It could be 32 by 32, or if you really want to challenge yourself, you can do a 48 by 48. And you can also make it bigger or smaller if you want, by just adding plates to the side. So after, just choose your design. It can be anything you want, but it has to fit your bases. So once you've chosen your design, just start building. So you can look up on Google or something else what the picture is, or you can just make it from your mind, straight up. This is what it looks like on my display cabinet. The newest addition to it, the fire flower. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and share. If you're watching on YouTube or on TikTok, please follow for more. Bye.